Hi everyone. God's plan is always beautiful than our desire. He is our master and He knows when and what to give. Thanks for the overwhelming response of my previous video on Anthem of the Sea update. Thanks for all your prayers, blessings and the wishes. We will be home soon. Well, I take this opportunity to thank the captain, the management team and the crew of Anthem of the Sea again. We had beautiful ocean, calm seas for the last 8 days. Well, it was a real reunion on this ship for a lot of us. Brothers, brother-in-laws, cousins met each other after long years. Even some of our colleagues who worked with each other met again. We are indeed a family. God bless us all. Keep strong. Wow, what a beautiful day, and what a feeling to see the land after 8 days at sea. We are about to reach Gibraltar. Behind the backdrop is the Celebrity Infinity and the Rock of Gibraltar. Well, we are here to pick more Indian crew members and head on towards Piraeus. This is the latest update from Anthem of the Seas. Hi friends, I would like to introduce one of my friend, my colleague, Dean. So he'd like to speak more about our epic journey towards India.
Hello everybody, my name is Dean and I'm from Goa, and I just wanted to give you a little information about our crossing of Atlantic Ocean all the way to India. The sea was very nice and calm. We didn't have any rough weather. It was very nice and easy, and we have to put our clocks forward, which was 6 hours. We have to put forward, so we did it every day 1 hour, and we look forward for another 3.5 till we reach to India. Okay, and we are getting there and we are coming closer. So we are waiting to see our families and friends, and see you soon, and God bless everybody. Take care.
Well, thank you very much, Dean. God bless us all and hope to see you everybody. And now please enjoy the mini tour of Anthem of the Sea.